Hello. Let me to present you that nice preset for mobile Lightroom, which is gonna make your Instagram even better than now. And be sure you can make the same one, watching this video. Don't forget, you also can get it absolutely for free. Just pay an attention on the right top corner, where you can see a password which consists of 2 parts. If you have any problems about that, feel free and leave your comment down below the video, and we'll help you, for sure. Okay. Let's get started.
Fight for my ascension, for your ascension, you must prove. Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream, may come true. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. The game over. Devotion, all your emotions in my hand. I want your obsession, every affection, full command. And if you define me, you won't survive me, you'll be there. Cause I am the giant, I am the diamond, not a man. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you. Game over. Not till you met me. Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking this to you. Fight for my ascension, for your ascension, you just prove. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream may come true. Have you ever played with the queen? I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you and you never leave. Can you meet me on my level? Oh baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh baby, is the game over?
That's it. We made it. Now you'll see how this preset looks on other photos. Don't forget to save the preset to use it whenever you like. And let us know if something was going wrong with your preset. We will be glad to help you. See you next time.